Alright, so how to check if a year is a leap year in C++. So the basic assumption here is that we're using the Gregorian calendar, which is the calendly normal calendar, okay? Pretty much worldwide. So here we're just gonna have a simple if statement, okay? So this if statement has in the middle the OR operator, okay? So we first of all read the year, of course, and we just evaluate with this if statement here if it is a common year or not. So we have the OR operator here. So if this parenthesis is true or this parenthesis is true, then we're gonna output common year, okay? So the first parenthesis checks that the year is not divided by 4. So if year modulo 4 is something other than 0, which means that the year is not divided by 4, okay? Then this parenthesis will evaluate as true, okay? Because for integer numbers, if they are not equal to 0, then they evaluate as true. If they are equal to 0, they evaluate as false. So in the case that our year is not divided by 4, then we output for sure common year, okay? Otherwise, if our year is divided by 4, okay, which would be the only reason that we would evaluate this parenthesis here, okay? So if this is false, it means that the year is divided by 4. So we don't need to check if the year is divided by 4 here, because for sure it is. Otherwise, we wouldn't even bother evaluating this parenthesis, okay? We do this check here, okay? So we have an AND operator at the middle. So both this part and this part need to be true, okay? So the first part checks if the year is divided by 100. So if year modulo 100 equals to 0, this will evaluate as false. And this symbol here is the not symbol. So not false equals to true, okay? So if it is divided by 100 and it is not divided by 400, this will evaluate as true only if here modulo 400 is not equal to 0, okay? So if it is not divided by 400. In that case, we have a common year, okay? So again, the two cases that we have a common year is if our year is not divided by 4, and in the case that our year is divided by 4, it should be divided by 100 and not divided by 400. If that's the case, then we have a common year, okay? Otherwise, we have a leap year. So that's pretty much the solution. Let's go ahead and test this real quick. So make sure to write this and open a terminal here. So here we just compile this and we just run this. So was 2000 a leap year? Yes, it was a leap year. Was 2004 a leap year? Yes, it was a leap year. Was 1900 a leap year? No, 1900 was a common year. Let's do some more checks. So was 1904 a leap year? Yes, it was a leap year. 2008 was a leap year. So 2022, which is this year, is a common year, okay? So that's pretty much the solution. I hope this video helped you understand how to check if a year is a leap year or not. If it did, leave it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.